How's everybody doing? I think it's time to start doing some work, little tweaks on the belt grinder. As you can see, this is my own design, kind of stolen ideas off of others. Let's see here. That's the adjustment. But the main problem I got is right there. I have to cut this off. Same with the bottom down there. So I don't know, maybe some of you can comment below on how much does your belt ride back and forth when you're working, say anything, because this has a tendency to ride back and forth just a little, so it hits here. And I got to fix the table too right there. Not really, I don't know, I'll think about that one, but otherwise, yeah. You like the skateboard wheels? Large skateboard wheels. And they work good too. I mean, it's there's nothing wrong with them. So yeah, let me know below how much that slides back and forth, or maybe I need to tighten up my 2 tensioning springs, which I think I'm going to do anyway. But yeah, if any of you could give me an idea, that'd be appreciated. Well, I'll let you know what it turns out like in the next one. Have a good one.